The Queen of Wands in Tarot. Well, the Queen of Wands is a confidence, passion, and charismatic energy card. She's embodying the mastery of the element of fire, representing creativity, determination, and the ability to inspire others. The Queen of Wands symbolizes self-assurance, dynamic leadership, and the power of embracing one's unique qualities. Let's explore its symbolism, Rider-Waite imagery, astrological associations, and interpretations. The general meaning of the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands is vibrant, self-assured, and magnetic. She combines fiery passions with wisdom, radiating a sense of empowerment and independence. This card often signifies confidence and charisma, owning and using your unique talents to inspire others, leadership and vision, the ability to guide and motivate others with enthusiasm, passion, and creativity, a focus on pursuing your goals with determination and flair, authenticity, embracing your true self without fear of judgment, warmth and generosity, a compassionate and approachable leader who inspires trust and admiration. The Queen of Wands encourages you to step into your power, express your creativity, and confidently lead. The Rider-Waite imagery. Well, the Rider-Waite depiction of the Queen of Wands is bold and regal. The Queen is seated on her throne. Her upright posture and commanding presence reflect her confidence and authority. The sunflower, held in her left hand. The sunflower symbolizes vitality, joy, and abundance, emphasizing her optimistic outlook. The wand with its budding leaves, her right hand, represents creativity, growth, and the potential for new beginnings. And the black cat sitting at her feet represents intuition, mystery, and a connection to the unseen. It reminds us that Queen of Wands balances her fiery energy with spiritual awareness. Now, the lions on the throne, well, the carved lions symbolize strength, courage, and leadership, aligning with the qualities of fire. The imagery highlights the Queen's powerful presence, creative energy, and the ability to combine boldness with intuition. The astrological associations with this card are Leo and the Sun. So the Queen of Wands is often associated with Leo, which is a fixed fire sign, and its ruler, the Sun. Some Leo traits: confidence, leadership, and a magnetic personality. Like Leo, the Queen of Wands thrives in the spotlight and inspires others with her courage and creativity. The Sun as the ruler, while the Sun represents vitality, self-expression, and joy, aligning with the Queen's warmth, charisma, and vibrant energy. Through the astrological lens, the Queen of Wands embodies the qualities of a natural-born leader who radiates positivity and determination. Some key interpretations when positive. This is a card of confidence and self-assurance, trusting in your abilities and embracing your unique strengths, leadership and inspiration, guiding others with enthusiasm, passion, and a clear vision. Creativity and ambition, pursuing your goals with energy and determination. Optimism and joy, maintaining a positive attitude and spreading warmth to others. Authenticity and courage, living boldly and fearlessly, embracing your individuality. When negative, this card can mean insecurity, where you doubt your abilities or struggle with your self-worth. It can imply overconfidence, where we act arrogantly or dominate others with our energy. Or burnout, where we are overwhelmed by responsibilities or losing our creative spark. It can be a card of manipulation, using the charm or the influence that we have to control others for personal gain. And a card sometimes of being competitive or jealous, which allows comparisons to hinder our growth or creativity. So you're deep into this tutorial and maybe you're thinking, this is great, but how do I actually make this work in a real reading? Or what do I do when I get stuck? Well, trust me, you're not alone. That's exactly why so many tarot readers hit a brick wall. That's why I've created these tarot courses at tarot-read.com. The courses go a long way beyond the tutorials that I share here with you on YouTube. While my tutorials are packed with valuable insights, they only skim the surface of what you really need to master in tarot readings. For example, when it comes to court cards, the ones that trip up most readers, my intermediate and advanced courses dive deep. I teach you exactly how to interpret them and connect it to your spread, and how to use them with confidence. Plus, I show you the how to take all of the cards and turn them into a meaningful, accurate spread, tailored for your query. That's not something I can fully cover in a YouTube video. It takes practice, structure, and the right guidance, which you'll find in my courses. So if you're ready to take the next step and move from stuck to confident, then check out the courses on tarotwithimagery.com. You'll get everything you need to become the reader you've always wanted to be. So who is the Queen of Wands in a reading? Queen of Wands can appear as a person in your life, someone charismatic, ambitious, and inspiring, and is often a natural leader or motivator. Could be a friend, a mentor, a partner who brings warmth and positivity to your life. Someone who's encouraging you to embrace your potential and pursue your passions. Can be an aspect of yourself. So it's a call to step into the power that you have and express it with confidence. A reminder to balance fiery ambition with intuition and compassion. A nudge to pursue your creative or professional goals with determination and flair. It can be a situation where it's time to take charge and lead with confidence, an opportunity to express your creativity or pursue passion projects. It can be a moment to embrace just joy, optimism, and authenticity in your actions. So the Queen's throne, surrounded by lions and sunflowers, this reflects her connection to the fire element, which governs creativity, ambition, and personal power. Black cat at her feet suggests a connection to intuition and the mystical, reminding us that true confidence comes from aligning passion with wisdom and self-awareness. So how should you read the Queen of Wands? When interpreting the Queen of Wands, focus on confidence and creativity. Consider its element, which is fire. Fire represents ambition, courage, and vitality. And the context in the spread. The Queen's position will clarify whether she represents a person, a specific situation in your life, or an energy. And so a quick pause here, because I've got something exciting to share. Over at tarotwithimagery.com, I've got a whole treasure chest full of tools to help you grow as a reader. They're not just courses. There's ebooks packed with insights, fun quizzes to test your tarot knowledge, and even a free natal chart calculator to help you blend astrology into your readings. Some of the quizzes are totally free, so if you're loving this tutorial, you'll love diving into these resources. They're perfect for expanding your skills and having a little bit of fun along the way. Now we're jumping back into our tutorial, so lots of goodies there for you. So what's the difference between the Queen and the other tarot cards? Well, the Queen of Wands represents the mastery of creativity and the ambition within the court cards. Well, the page is exploring these ideas and the Knight pursues them actively. The King governs them with authority. If we compare it to the minor arcana, well, the Queen's signifying archetypes or energies, while the numbered minor arcana focuses on specific events or challenges or stages in creativity and passionate pursuits. Unlike the major arcana, the Queen of Wands explores overarching life themes or spiritual lessons, and at the same time focuses on personal mastery in the realms of creativity and leadership. So the Queen of Wands symbolizes confidence, creativity, and dynamic leadership. Her association with Leo and the Sun emphasizes her radiant energy, her natural charisma, and the ability to inspire others. The Rider-Waite imagery captures her strength and warmth, reminding us to embrace our passion and lead with authenticity. So whether it represents a person, a mindset, or a situation, or even you, the Queen of Wands encourages us to take bold action, to express ourselves fully, and to inspire others with determination, courage, and vision. She also reminds us to balance fiery ambition with intuition and compassion for lasting success. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, your growth as a tarot reader is a journey, and every step counts. So if you're ready to dive deeper and truly transform your readings, why not head over to my website, tarotwithamory.com, and go and check out what we've got there for you. Until next time, happy reading, and I'll see you in the next video.